As North America continues to wait patiently for the highly anticipated Ford Ranger, yet another variant of the midsize truck has been unveiled in Australia. Dubbed as the Wildtrak X, this latest addition to the Ranger lineup aims to bridge the gap between the regular Wildtrak and the rugged Raptor models. Interestingly, the Wildtrak X is not just a trim level, but a special edition with some unique features. It boasts the twin turbodiesel 2.0-liter engine, which is mated to a full-time four-wheel drive system instead of the more conventional part-time setup. What sets the Wildtrak X apart from its non-X counterpart is its wider tracks that add 30 mm to the front and rear, as well as an additional 26 mm of ground clearance. Ford claims that the Wildtrak X offers a specifically tuned suspension that balances comfort and performance during long hauls and heavy loads. The Wildtrak X also retains its impressive towing capacity of 3,500 kilograms while rolling on new 17-inch wheels wrapped in General Grabber AT3 all-terrain tires that measure 265/70 R17. The Wildtrak X is loaded with features that make it a go-anywhere truck. It comes with Bilstein dampers, a unique front grille that sports auxiliary LEDs, cast aluminum side steps, and black badges. However, the most notable addition to the Wildtrak X is the trail control system, which acts like a cruise control for off-roading at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Ford also threw in the rock crawl feature, which enhances the truck's grip in low-range four-wheel drive mode. Under the hood, the Wildtrak X is powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder diesel engine that produces an impressive 201 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. The engine is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission that delivers power to the wheels. The Wildtrak X also comes with some premium upgrades, including matrix LED headlights, a sliding load rack, a folding roof rack, and an overhead auxiliary switch bank for powering aftermarket accessories. Other upgrades over the non-X model include the B&O sound system and a 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster. The Wildtrak X is available in an exclusive cyber orange paint. The Ford Ranger Wildtrak X is set to hit Australian showrooms in the latter half of the year, with a starting price of nearly $51,000. With its impressive features, this latest addition to the Ranger lineup is sure to turn heads and appeal to off-road enthusiasts who demand both performance and comfort from their trucks.